He had 3 legitimate children. I don't think I was one of them. 3 legitimate children. And I met his daughter Maria in Beverly Hills in 1976. And that's what she said. I met her and I wondered if she'd seen the film. I hope not, because he's always portrayed as a very evil character, a great enigma. And she said, yes, she has seen the film. I have seen it. And I said, oh, really? And I was worried. And she said, you look like him. And I said, surely, madame, your father was not as tall as me, and he had grey blue eyes. And she said, yes, that's true, but it's the expression. Anyway, I'm not going to take long. You'll be glad to hear. But I just want to explain one thing about the ending of this film. The true story, which you can't see, I think maybe was shown in a Russian film called Agonia. But when Prince Yusupov, who was one of the 5 conspirators, was alive, he would not allow anyone to make the true story